Hey, good morning everyone. Our topic for today is adding like fractions. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, we have 4 over 37, 15 over 37, 28 over 37, and 55 over 37 are like or similar fractions, as they all have the same denominator because the denominator here is 37. So like fractions can be proper or improper fractions. So proper fractions are like fractions in which the numerators are less than the denominators. For example, 45 over 63, 18 over 63, and 59 over 63 are proper like fractions because the denominator here is 63. So improper like fractions are like fractions in which the numerator and are greater than the denominators. So for example, 84 over 63, 65 over 63, 110 over 63 are improper like fractions. Now what are the rules in adding like fractions? Okay. We have only two rules for adding like fractions. Number one is add the numerator of the fractions and then keep the denominator the same. Figure 1 shows addition of proper like fractions, and Figure 2 shows the addition of improper like fractions. As you can see in Figure 1, the rectangle here is divided in 27. The other figure also is divided in 27. So if we're going to add 10 over 27 plus 14 over 27, you'll get 24 over 27. Now you look at now the figure 2, adding improper like fractions. If you're going to count the shaded portion here, you will get 16. And then the other one is 13. And then if you're going to add 16 over 10 plus 13 over 10, you'll get 29 over 10. So this is improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So let us add the like fractions like 84 over 80 and 26 over 80 and simplify the answer. So the sum of 84 and 26 over 80 is equal to 110 over 80. But take note that the factors of 110 is 2 times 5 times 11. And the factors of 80 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Now we need to simplify 110 over 80. So that's why we need to cancel out the common factors, which is we have 2, 2, and then 5, 5. So the remaining factors in the numerator is 11, and in the denominator, we have 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Okay. Another example. Add the given like fractions. Write the answer in simplest form. So take note that when you add fractions, it must be always in simplest form. So for example, we have 11 over 18 plus 20 over 18. So the sum of 11 and 20 is 31 over 18. So this one is improper fraction. Okay. The second one is you have, let's say, 23 over 155 plus 19 over 155 plus 173 over 155. That is equal to, you add the numerator, so you will get 215 over 155. Now we need to, since both numerator and denominator are divisible by 5, so therefore we can change 215 to 5 times 43 and 155 to 5 times 31. So cancel out, so you will get 43 over 31. Now, some of you doesn't have a content book right now because it's not available yet. So these practice questions, you can input this in Google form. So I will provide answer sheet. So we have three practice questions. For number one, there are two questions. For number two, there are four questions. And for number three, four questions. So I want you to write your answer in Google form. Now, if you have questions regarding the solutions on how to simplify, you can discuss that during our synchronous session. So thank you very much, everyone. See you soon.